It's Annette at needlepointers.com, and I want to show you how to make a super simple and quick sewing project. A catnip pillow toy with scrap fabric. With only basic sewing skills, you can whip up a catnip filled pillow toy in about 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. I even timed myself, and it took me less than that to finish. So let's get started. What you will need to make the catnip pillow toy are scrap fabric, scissor, rotary cutter and mat is optional, pins, dried catnip, basic sewing supplies such as pins and sewing machine. Place your chosen fabric on your cutting mat and with a rotary cutter and ruler, measure and cut 2 3.5-inch squares of fabric. If you don't have a rotary cutter, draw 2 3.5-inch squares on the wrong side of the fabric with a ruler and pencil, and then cut them out with a scissor. On each of the fabric squares, press one edge toward the wrong side about 1/4 inch. This will create a clean edge for sewing the opening closed later. Place the 2 squares with wrong sides together, aligning all edges. Pin them if you wish. Using the edge of the presser foot as a guide, sew the 3 unfolded edges, remembering to backstitch at the beginning and the end to secure the seam. If you use pins, make sure you don't stitch over them. Take them out before you stitch. Turn the sewn pillow right side out and fill it about 2/3 full with dried catnip. Use a few pins to hold the opening closed, then edge stitch the pillow closed. Edge stitching is stitching 1/16 to 1/8 inch away from the edge of something. And remember, we turned this under about 1/4 inch, so definitely you want to stitch only 1/16 to 1/8 inch away from the edge. Also, don't forget you need to back stitch at the beginning and the end of the stitching. The catnip toy is complete. Hand it over to your cat and watch the fun begin. Not only is this toy quick and easy to make, but it's also a great way to upcycle leftover fabric and keep your pet entertained. Did you enjoy this sewing project? If you liked this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Keep up with us by following us on Facebook, X, and Pinterest. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of free pet projects and tutorials. While you are there, sign up for our weekly newsletter to stay informed about new projects and tutorials.